treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.